Hello, my name is Liesel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to quickly create a custom YouTube channel banner that will fit all your devices perfectly with a free Canva tool. I've created a special image guide to make it as easy as possible for you to do so. So if you're ready, let's work smarter and not harder. Now we've signed into the Canva homepage. In this main search bar, you will type YouTube channel art. When you scroll down, you will see that there are plenty of templates to choose from. Some are really pretty, but unfortunately many of them won't display properly, and I will explain that to you as we go on with this tutorial. So first thing to do is create blank. To start, let's go to upload files, and then you would upload the free download that you've downloaded from my website earlier into Canva. Mine is here already, so I will simply click on it. It will jump over onto our canvas, right click and set image as background. When we look at the guide, you will see that everything inside the blue rectangle will show up on the TV version. In this long rectangle, that part will show up on your desktop version. And the small rectangle in the middle is the part that will show up on all devices. Keep in mind that this little blue part here, all your external links will show up there on the desktop version. So if you look at this, you can see why many of the templates won't actually display in a nice way. Let's design this banner from scratch. So we will start with my logo. I've already uploaded it into Canva, so I'll simply click on it. And by dragging these corners, resize it to the correct size, place it right in the middle, center it. We will focus most of the design elements within this middle block. Then I want to do a little bit of text for my website. Let's add an image. To finish off this design, I'm going to add a rectangular banner. To do so, I'm going to go to Elements, click on a square element, and then simply pull it across my canvas. Pull it down. So I want it to be just over the bottom line of the guide, so it will show up as a little line on the desktop and all devices view. And then I'm going to bring up the bottom up to the end of my image. I'm going to give it a different color. I'm going to use the coral color on my branding palette. And now you can see you can't see my image fully, so I'm just going to right click on the banner and go to layer and send it backward. Now that our design is done, the last thing to do is the background. So now we don't need this guide anymore. So you can right click on the guide and delete it. And then you can choose if you want to put a plain color into your background. So I can put any of my branding colors in there. But earlier I actually found a nice image here on Canva. It is part of the Pro account, but you can upload any image or use any free image. So I would go to Elements. I'm going to my recently used, scrolling down, and you can see there's that little crown on. So that means the Pro item. I'm clicking that over to my image. I'm going to right click on it and go to replace background. Before we download this file, let's go and rename it. So we will go to File, we will click And then put our new name. So this is my YouTube channel banner. Save, share, download. I will choose JPEG and download. I've now signed into YouTube. I will click on Customize Channel. Here at Channel Customization, you will see three options: Layout, Branding, Basic Info. So we will click on Branding. Go down to Banner Image. Upload. Upload our image. And here I can see that it now fits perfectly. Everything within that smallest rectangle. I've got the little red line there that I wanted. And done. So let's check our work. Our banner on desktop is looking great. It's fitting perfectly. Let's check our mobile phone. And now the iPad. I'm pretty happy. I hope you're happy too and that you've learned something today. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.